You want to default supplier information with Oracle FBDI. It's a common request, we see it in the forums, and we understand why. Sorting out your supplier master data is a bit of a minefield. There's lots of different levels, with up to 9 different data sections to load. There's just so many different fields with the supplier master that it would be great to be able to just default the data. The bad news is, you can't. FBDI is not designed to allow defaulting of data. But surely there's a way where we can do some defaulting and remove all the unnecessary linking between worksheets. Great news is you can. Simplify your supplier setup with more for apps. By using row 10 in the spreadsheet, you can default values and formulas to default the data as it loads. You can default values in over 50 columns, that's 50 less data entry points. Creating suppliers is 12 times faster with more for apps, with the defaulting functionality and all your data in one worksheet.